So if you've ever looked into starting a business, you've probably seen just how many steps are involved, from choosing a name and registering it legally to getting things like an EIN and making sure you meet all the requirements for your state. And while you can absolutely do it all yourself, it is easy to run into confusing forms, unexpected fees, or just spend way more time than you had planned. And that's what's got me looking into services that could actually handle all that for me. And that's how I came across Tailor Brands. Now, Tailor Brands is mainly known for branding tools like logo makers and business cards, but they also offer full business formation services, including that for LLCs. And that's what I'm going to be reviewing here, since I used them to register a new LLC. So today in this video, I'm going to walk you through what you get, how their pricing works, how they compare to similar services, and a few pros and cons to keep in mind along the way. Now, just to give you a bit of a background, Tailor Brands started back in 2014 with a very simple goal: to help new businesses get up and running with everything that they need to look professional from day one. And after they got into business formation, they noticed something interesting. A lot of the companies they were helping still didn't feel real to clients or even their own teams until they had a proper logo, a website, maybe even a business card. Basically, something visual that gave their brand more credibility. So they shifted gears and built out a platform that handles both sides of the equation. You get help with all the legal stuff like forming your LLC, but also the branding tools to make your business look established. Things like a logo maker, website builder, digital business cards, and even merch. So, like I mentioned earlier, I've helped launch a bunch of businesses in different ways, and I've tested pretty much all of the big name services: Zen Business, LegalZoom, Swift Filings, and even Busy, which used to be called Inkliff. And I'll just say, for a few reasons, Busy's not one that I would recommend. But the more you go through this process, the more you start to notice the differences. And what stood out with Tailor Brands is that they structure things a little differently. Instead of showing you a list of plans up front, they actually guide you through a few simple steps to figure out exactly what you need, then give you a customized plan based on your situation. And that's a nice touch compared to most of the other sites that I've tried. So if you are looking to get your certificate of incorporation, which is basically your business's birth certificate, Tailor Brands gives you 3 options to choose from. Just keep in mind that the state filing fees are not included, and those vary depending on where you are registering. Also, Tailor Brands only handles LLCs, so if you are forming an S Corp, C Corp, or nonprofit, you're going to want to look into something like LegalZoom or Zen Business. I've linked reviews for those in the description below. Now, their entry-level light plan is free. You just pay the state fee. It covers basic registration and gets filed within 14 business days. Not really the fastest, but it's a good fit if you're on a budget and you're not in a rush. Next up is the Essential Plan at $200 a year. This gets you faster filing, usually kind of within 2 days, plus compliance reminders and a standard operating agreement, which is key if you do have business partners. And finally, there is the Elite Plan at $250 a year. It includes everything from the Essential Plan plus branding tools like a website domain, multiple logo options, a digital business card, and a social media post generator to help get your business looking polished online. And if you want to give Tailor Brands a try, then you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which does help out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you're not going to get if you go directly through their website. So I ended up choosing the Elite Plan since I wanted the full setup. I wanted the website, the logo, the social media tools, and the whole package. And within about a week, my LLC was officially filed, my site was live, and I had a clean professional brand that I could start using immediately. Now, of course, you can absolutely build all this yourself if you want to, but if you are looking for a simpler way to launch everything in one place without having to juggle a bunch of different tools, this is a very streamlined way to go. Now, with all the plans, you also get the option of a free business bank account, and you can add services to create your logo or business card with a monthly subscription plan that starts at about $4 and goes up to $13. You can use their design studio to make a logo for free, but you can only download a low-res file. So for higher resolution vector image files, you're gonna have to subscribe, but once you sign up and you download your logo, it's yours forever. Now, sure, you can take care of all this yourself if you really want to, but if you value your time and your sanity, really, Tailor Brands can handle a lot of those extra steps for you just for a little more. So for example, if you're in the US and you plan to hire anyone besides yourself, you're going to need an EIN, and that's your business's tax ID. You can get it from the IRS directly, but no matter what, it's something you legally have to have in order to file taxes. Tailor Brands will do it for you for about $100 as a one-time fee. Then there is the registered agent. This is the person or company responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your business. And yes, you can technically act as your own agent if you want to save a bit. But personally, that's not something I do again. It's just one of those things that's worth outsourcing. And Tailor Brands offers this for around $200 a year. Now, if you're not a U.S. citizen, Tailor Brands still gives you the option to set up an LLC in Delaware or Wyoming, two states that don't tax LLCs, and they allow international ownership. But just keep in mind, as a non-resident, you can't apply for your own EIN or serve as your own registered agent. So in that case, you'll need Tailor Brands to take care of both. Now, in terms of competition, there are a few worth mentioning, and like I said earlier, I've actually used most of them. Swift Filings and Zen Business both offer free basic registration, but once you add useful features like compliance tools or an EIN, you're going to end up paying out of pocket just like with any other provider. Now that said, Tailor Brands is a really good pick for the first-time business owner. Step-by-step process keeps everything simple, and you're not bombarded with a ton of options, which can be very overwhelming if you are just starting out. Swift Filings, for example, will file your LLC for free within 10 days and offers more business types, not just LLCs. But once you get into their paid plans, like the standard one at $170, it has more choices and upsells to sort through. Where Tailor Brands really sets itself apart is with branding. They're the only ones that include tools like a logo maker and a website builder. So you're building your business and your brand at the same time. My experience with Tailor Brands felt pretty different from the other services that I've tried. You don't see the pricing up front. Instead, you go through a quick setup where you can create an account, answer a few questions, and then they build a plan based on your needs. So it actually starts with a logo builder. You just enter in your business name and it generates a few designs to help kind of shape your brand. It's a quick way to visualize everything. But if you want to download anything or move forward, you're going to need to subscribe. Now, if you are planning to register your business through them, I would suggest going with the Elite plan. It's a 1-year package that covers your LLC, your logo, your website, your tax ID, and a registered agent. So all of your essentials are taken care of all in one place. Having done this process a bunch of times, I just find that it's easier to let a service handle the paperwork. They also have what they call a guidance engine, basically a short quiz to figure out what your business needs. Then they recommend a plan. I do wish that the pricing came earlier in the process, since it did feel like a little drawn out, but everything else was smooth and the end result was great. I've actually used them more than once. And for support, it starts with a chatbot, which isn't really helpful. There's a solid help section and you can email them, though it begins with an automated reply. You might need to push a bit to reach an actual person, but once it gets going, I didn't really have any issue. In the end, I did have my business fully registered, the website was live, my EIN set up, and a registered agent in place. I also had branding ready to go and could start building my online presence right away. So if you do want a simple way to launch that looks professional from day one, Tailor Brands does make that process very easy. So that pretty much wraps things up. But the big question is, would I actually recommend Tailor Brands? And yeah, of course I would. It's a solid option if you're looking to not only register your LLC, but also build out your brand and your online presence all in one place. It's very smooth. The platform is easy to use, and it really takes the hassle out of getting everything set up the right way. So if that sounds like something that would be helpful for you, I think Tailor Brands is definitely worth checking out. So hopefully you found this helpful, and if you did, then please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you got any questions, or if there's something that I didn't mention here, feel free to drop it in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing your thoughts and getting to answer as many of those questions as I can. I did leave a link below if you are thinking about trying out Tailor Brands, so go ahead and check that out. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.